Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone calls being dropped. So let's get started. So very first troubleshooting you want to do is just pull down that control menu from the top here or from the bottom and put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off just like that. And that does a quick network refresh. Now after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go over to your settings, and in your settings you're going to go to Cellular. Once in your cellular, you're going to go down a little bit further until you see the option for Wi-Fi calling right here. And you want to go ahead and tap on that. And you want to turn that off and then turn that on again, just to make sure that Wi-Fi calling is turned on. And then we're going to go back again. This time we're going to go to cellular data options that are available. So I'm going to click on cellular data options, mobile data options. Once you get to the cellular data option or the mobile data option, key thing here is for voice and data here, you're going to want to, if you had auto turned on, you want to select either 5G on or LTE on. The reason why the auto doesn't work great is because sometimes it wants to basically be on 5G, but then that can interfere with it. So either use the on or the LTE, and then you can always switch back. So try either of these options, and that should help you as well. Now, after you have done that, it's time to move on to the next thing. And then the next thing you want to do, which I'll show you on this phone, is if you have any VPN setting on, you want to turn that off. So in your settings, go to General, and then VPN and Device Management, right? We want to turn any of those off. Sometimes they can also interfere with calls. Now, along with that, you also want to see if there's a carrier update out. Starting from the settings again, General, About, and if there's a carrier update out, it's going to give you a message once you're near this page that the carrier update is available. You just click on update. Now if you don't see an update or any pop-up, just move on to the next thing, which is going to be, again, starting from the settings, you go to battery, and you want to turn off low power mode if you have that on. That reduces certain functionality, so we want to turn that setting off. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is go ahead and do a force restart on your iPhone. So in order to do that, you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. And we're going to wait. We're going to keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears again. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. As you can see here, I let go of the side button once I see the Apple logo. It basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. A great way to fix most software related issue. And if it doesn't work the very first time, just keep on trying it. You're just going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, one and after another very quickly, and then hold down that side button. Now once you're back on, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting and then go to General, scroll down here where it says Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and you want to do a network reset. That's going to reset all the network related settings. Again, this will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be fine. And let's say you did all of that, it's still not working. It's time to check if there's the update out. So in your settings, General, Software Update, and check for update. If there is, go ahead and update your phone. Let's say in a scenario that you're on a phone that has a SIM card that you're using, you want to take that SIM card out and just put it right back in, and that will reinitialize the SIM card. If you're using an eSIM, you want to contact your carrier and let them know calls are being dropped, and they can also troubleshoot the problem on their end just to make sure the network isn't having any outages or issue. Sometimes what you want to do is if you're in a zone and you're noticing call drop, try to move to a different zone as well, and that may help. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you guys next time.